Hi guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you guys my everyday blowout with my Dyson, but for this video I am going to be using the small round brush. So this is the blowout. This is how it came out, super cute. This is not going to be a quick and easy type of blowout, obviously, because it's the smaller round brush. It takes a little bit longer. So I already did this video, but with the large round brush, and that one is just a little quicker and easier. So now I'm going to show you guys with the small one. So the first step that I always got wrong was that I always started with my hair just really wet, really damp, and it's just made my hair really frizzy. So now what I do is that I blow dry my hair till it's like literally dry, and then I just wet it, like damp it a little bit with my heat protectant. There you go. We are gonna start off with okay, maybe not super, but with dry hair. Just make sure that your roots are dry. Step 2 is to make sure that your hair is nice and detangled, or else the round brush, obviously it's a brush, but it'll just not style the proper way if it's like brushing your hair and detangling your hair at the same time. So yeah, make sure it's detangled. For my Dyson, I always put it on well, right now I don't really need to dry it because my hair is already completely dry. So it's gonna be on low speed and high heat. So this is what I have the settings at. And now I'm just gonna part my hair. Get this section out of the way so I can do this last. So now I'm gonna go in with my heat protectant. This is the Tresemme Protecting Heat Protectant. I love it so much. The spray, it's just so misty and pretty. Before I blow dried my hair, I did apply leave-in conditioner and another heat protectant. So I kind of have 2 heat protectants then. I grab a little section like this. That was another mistake that I did. I always started with like a really big section and it just doesn't work that well. It just doesn't style right and it ends up being really frizzy. And also I feel like it's too much for the Dyson like to pull on. So yeah, I just don't do it. But okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. You guys are not gonna be able to hear me, so just watch. Go really slow when you're doing this, because I used to do this super fast and that's how my hair ended up really frizzy. Okay, so the second pass is where I start rolling up a little bit. Like this. Then just leave here. Okay, I used the cool shot for like a couple seconds and now you guys can see the mess. The hair is like all over the place and that always worried me when I did this, but there's nothing to worry about. Your hair will turn out fine. It's just, you know, your hair is different lengths all over the place, so it's gonna be like this. Now to take it out, I grab it right here at like the base and I start unrolling, and we have the curl. I probably should have worn a different shirt so you guys could see more, but you guys can see the curl bouncy. So obviously it is a blowout, not so curly blowout, so it's not gonna be all the way curled. It's mainly your ends. But okay, so you guys saw what I did here. I'm just gonna keep doing it all throughout my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another section with you guys, and then I'll have to do the rest of my hair off camera. Okay, then again, unroll, and voila. I do prefer it to work in smaller sections, so this does take a while. This isn't a quick blowout, okay? But you guys will love the end result. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair off camera, and then I'll come back to do the top section with you guys. So yeah, I will be back. Okay, I am back, and this is the bottom section. All I have to do now is my bangs. So for my bangs, it's still the same thing that we did all throughout our head. Just go really slow so it's less frizzy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The only difference is that for the heat, I go down 1 notch. So I go to the medium instead of high. And yeah, that's pretty much the only difference. First, I am gonna be kind of doing it all over the place. I'm gonna go front, I'm gonna go towards the back, like, you know, I'm gonna do all that. So 1 sec, let me just go ahead and do that. And then towards the front. So now we can get most of our hair in there. Okay, so now that I took it off, this is what we have. So now I'm gonna do these sections separate. So now I'm gonna go on like this. Just so we have that nice kind of waved out look. Okay. Now our hair is done, you guys. So this is what we have. Now we can finally run our fingers through and just, I don't use the brush because that just kind of makes it not look that good. So yeah, I just kind of run my fingers through and then I add an oil if I need it. I don't think I'm gonna add an oil today because I think this is pretty good. But yeah, this is what we have. I'm so happy. Let me just part it to the side a little bit. Lately I've been liking my hair to be parted like a little bit towards the side. I don't know, I feel like it goes a little bit better with me. But yeah, guys, this is it for today's video. So this is the look. Well, this is the hair. It's just so flowy, so pretty. It's not frizzy at all. And yeah, it looks really, really good. I mean, this hair for an everyday kind of blowout is perfect. It does take a little longer than like the large round brush, obviously, because this is a smaller brush. But honestly, I feel like I kind of like it a little better just because it gives me a little bit more like curl, you know, towards the bottom. Obviously, I still love my large round brush. I'm just, you know, I'm a little more in love with the small one right now. Just for right now. This is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you guys did, then please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.